There's no one on it. Yeah. They got off. They got off.
Did you see this, Dave?
I saw the thing go pop. It's like a fireball about 3 metres high.